This is the Iron Trader. The pits on crude oil and natural gas will be closing here in about 30 minutes. So we're going to do a video here on the crude and the natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted along with the EIA report. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly chart. Now, the API report last night came in very bullish, and the EIA report today also came in very bullish. However, bottom line, all that matters is these charts. Okay, so what I've been posting here is I've been saying, watch this gap fill right here. This is sitting at 75.72. Okay, today's low so far was 75.64. So now this gap here is filled. Okay, that's a good thing. Now the key is, can it regain these moving averages? Okay, so right now it's not looking too good. So what we want to do is we want to look at this candle right here. All right, that there is 74.63. That's the next level support. Then we have this one here, that's 73.77. Then we go down to this candle here, that's 72.61. Now, that lines up very, very nicely here with when you look at here on the monthly chart. 72.65, that is your key support level here on the crude. If you look here at all these candles, yes, it went below, but it didn't close for the month, okay, up until above that 200 SMA. That's very, very key support. Now, if this 200 is lost here, well, then we can go down to the bottom of these candles here. You're looking at 69.13 on this candle here. You're looking at 66.82. And then your big retest here is 64.36. All right. So, but, we're not going to look at it right now. Let's just see how this all shakes out. What we had here is you had a nice gap up. This right here is all the OPEC supply cut. Went up, but where did it go? Right into that 200 SMA. Could not get through, and boom, down she goes. Now, let's look at the upside. Now, all this support here becomes resistance. So you want to look at this 50-day. This is sitting at 76.26. You want to look at this 100-day, 76.84. And now you see how this 8-day crossed below. Okay, that is sitting at 78.43 and then 78.85. If it can get a close above, then we have this 82.50 to 200 SMA. And then your retest here is sitting at 83.53. But when you look at this 8 SMA, this is so important here. When you look at this, how this rolled over. Look when this rolled over. What happened to the price? Came right on down until it closed back above. So you have to watch these simple moving averages. So if this keeps on falling down, so will the price. And then you're going to be fighting it like you are here until you can close back above. So on a closing basis, here's your gap fill, 75.72. So it needs to close above. If not, then we look to this level, then we look to this level, then we look to this level, and then your key level here is this 72.65. That's a very key level. Now, if that is lost, you got right here 66.84 here on your weekly chart. That'll be next, and then obviously your retest is 64.36. All right, here we have the old natty gas. Now, basically, same thing. It's just a long basing sideways pattern. However, when you look at this here, if we can get this above this key 50 SMA, that is going to be key at 2.342. And then you can go above your 2.38. That's your price channel. You can get all the way up here to this level here at 3.027. Okay, so that is your upside. And then if it gets higher, you got 3.158 here, your 21, and then you got the nice 3.75 here. That's your 200 SMA here on your weekly chart. On the bottom here, you want to look for support is you want to look at this 8-day. That's 2.255. You want to look at this 21-day here at 2.168. These two are very, very key levels. If those are lost, then we look for a 1.946 retest. Now, this has just been basing. But what it needs is a catalyst. It needs to have a catalyst to either shoot up or shoot down. I just can't see where you're going to have natural gas sitting down here at $2.28 going into a summer period. If it's and then you have hurricane season right after that. So be very patient. Don't just be very patient with this. Just do scalp trades. For me, I'm scalping the boil long, and today I scalped the cold, KOLD. I scalped it on the short side. That was a nice 5-point trade. Very, very nice. So watch these levels, okay? Here's another one, 2.22. Watch this 8-day here. This is sitting at 2.25, the 21, 2.16, and then this 1.946 on the bottom. On the upside, watch this 2.34, 2. You want to watch that price channel at 2.38, and then that would be the destination where she would be going. That would be 3.027. Now, just be patient here because this could break up, or if it breaks down, watch this level right here. All right. Thanks for watching.